Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Wednesday, Whiskey Wednesday. I have whiskey today. Later, but I'll get that later. Okay, last night I prepared my prime rib noodle and veggie soup from homemade stock that I did yesterday as well. It was very good. I continue to retain my crown as the soup king in the casual chef world. The soup queen, my wife Robin, confirmed it. So today normally would be a baking day because it's leftover soup tonight. I decided because we have so many sweets in the house from the holidays. We have still a little bit of creme brulee. We actually had creme brulee for breakfast. Yes, I bruleed the creme this morning for Robin and I. So we have plenty of sweets in the house. So I decided because the lemon bar recipe that I have makes a 9x13 pan. So I'm going to kind of take the day off from cooking. But I will always be working in the background and so forth, for you, the viewers and members of Casual Chef's Kitchen. But tomorrow I will be back in the kitchen, and tomorrow I'm going to create and prepare creamy Tuscan chicken. I'm going to slaughter this batata hara, a Lebanese spicy potatoes. And for the veggie, I'm going to do garlic parmesan green beans with bacon. Sounds like a great meal to me. Got a couple different cuisines going on here. Got the Lebanese, and I got the Tuscan. It should be fun. Everything's pretty simple tomorrow, but it's still the triad, the protein, the starch, and a veggie. But I'm going to have fun with that tomorrow. More on that tomorrow. So I'm sure most of you are back at work. Robin's back at work today. She only has a 3-day week. So have a great day. Eat great food. And as always, have fun cooking.